All right, what up, KDMculture PH family? It's your boy Jag, aka vipcars, back at it again with another episode for the KDMculture PH YouTube channel. And today we've got a very special delivery. I've got some new wheels that I've been waiting on for a couple of months now. I placed them in order about 2 months ago, and I finally got them. So we're gonna go do a whole unboxing. Probably just one of the wheels because it's gonna take forever to do all 4 of them. But I just want to show you guys real quick what type of wheels I got and what's coming onto the VIP accent next. So stay tuned, you're not gonna want to miss this. I'll be right back, alright? Peace!
Talking aimless leaders, riding deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising over my KDM, don't say the word, just ride with me. Talking aimless leaders, riding deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising over my KDM, don't say the word, just ride with me. Let's vibe.
Alright guys, welcome back. Here I'm going to go ahead and give you a little clue of the type of wheels that we got. So here are the center caps. There you go. So as you can probably tell by now, I did get some VS work wheels. Now as to which model of the VS lineup, I'm going to have to wait and see in a little bit. But here's I got the center caps, some stainless steel valves, and I've also got some work wheels air valve caps tucked under there. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and bring this new wheels, new rims that I've got for the car. Let's go ahead and prop it up on display for a quick second here. There you go. Kind of give you a little bit of a clue. Not give it away completely just yet. Okay, one thing I will say is this is a full silver vacuum chrome wheel that I've got here. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go and take off this rim protector I've got. So if you haven't figured it out by now, the work wheels that I've got are the Work VS XVs. Alright, but not just any regular Work VS XVs. I've got chrome plated Work VS XVs with the gold rivets. Let's go ahead and prop this up for you. There you go. So these usually don't come in the chrome spec. I have to actually get it custom made. And for full transparency here, just so you guys don't go bashing me in the comment section, I did get them and they are reps. They're not original work wheels. I just want to get that out of the way right away. But in order for me to get some custom chrome ones, this is what I had to go for. They were a little bit pricey, but you know, I had to save up a little bit for them. But as you can see, full silver vacuum chrome with the gold rivets that will match the center caps nicely. Now let's go ahead and go into detail with this. I'm going to prop this up a little bit and I'll take a closer look for you guys. All right. Ooh, wrong way. There we go. Let's do a little bit of a close-up here. As you can tell, this thing is brand spanking new. Now, of course, I'm not going to throw them on the car just yet. I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out for you guys a little bit. But of course, I'm planning to get these ceramic coated prior to me throwing them onto the car. And yeah, so that way I can preserve the chrome for as long as possible. I don't have to clean it as hard because I mean, as you can tell, with so much spokes and all the crevices and cracks in there, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass to clean manually every single time I want to wash the car. So I want to get it protected and make the cleaning process as easy as possible. But yeah, I haven't put on the center caps yet because I wanted to do that right before we threw the ceramic coating on. Of course, I'm going to put the center caps and get them ceramic coated. And yeah, here's a close-up look. Let's go ahead and start from the bottom here. I mean, this thing is like mirror finish, so they did a fairly good job. Shout out to LNS Rims for hooking me up, and I can't wait to throw this onto the car. It's pretty badass. Now the specs on this is it's 17 by 7.5, offset 35 or 38, one of those two, because the box says 35, but the seller tells me it's 38. But as you can see, it has 8 holes, so it's made for 4x100 or 114. But these are 17 inches. So the funny thing is about these wheels is The original work wheels came out with 17-inch designs, I would say a month ago. Now this lineup has been out for, I would say, already 2 years, I want to say, but they never came in 17 inches. They only came in 18 inches and 5 holes and above. But they actually recently just released the 17-inch version with the 4 holes, and unfortunately it's a little bit out of my price range. I would say each wheel would probably cost me a whole setter, damn near close to it, so it's fairly expensive. So we're gonna work with what we got. So yeah, with that being said, we're just gonna, make it till we make it. We're just gonna be able to afford and rock these. At least these are brand new, so I can throw them onto the car. Get rid of the old chrome wheels that I've got on there, that's all curb rashed. But I'm planning to get them refurbished and probably sell them. I'm undecided at this point yet, but I'm just excited to get these wheels thrown onto the car. As you can see, I mean, this is definitely going to change the whole look of the car. And actually, the reason why I went for these set of wheels or rims for the VIP Accent is, of course, it's VIP inspired build. And I see these on a lot of the VIP cars I see online, and I thought, hey, it'd be pretty dope to throw it on a car. I do believe I'm the first one in the country to have some chrome VS works. Like I said, they are reps. I'm not going to claim that they're originals, but at the end of the day, we're going for, the originality here. So that's what I wanted to go for, because they usually come in either a silver face with a polished lip, or a black granite, or like some sort of a black chrome, but never in the full silver vacuum chrome like you see right here. So this is definitely a first for us, and yeah, I'm excited to get it hooked up onto the car. The wheel itself is fairly sturdy. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter, but it's quite heavy. But for the most part, hey, I mean, from afar, it just looks good. It looks good, but it looks like it's a pain in the ass to clean as well, so I want to get this ceramic coated. But you guys are going to have to stay tuned for the next episode, because I got this whole set scheduled for next week. And we're going to get the assistance of Mr. Buff City himself to get these bad boys ceramic coated. So I still got to get them cleaned up. They are straight from the factory, delivered over here. Just did a visual inspection. Everything looks good. Yeah, we'll get these coated. And of course, I'm going to do a video on that as well. So stay tuned, so that way we can show you how to properly coat the brand new rims before you throw them onto the car, because it makes the job of cleaning your wheels and tires a whole lot easier. So that's another fair point I want to point out to you guys there. But yeah, I'm excited. This is the first time I've actually gotten some new set of chrome rims, brand new. And I've never had some gold rivets before, but I figured it'll match really good with the center cap they provided. So, and the center cap as well, I'll do a little bit more of an in-depth look at this, but it's actually embossed on there too. It's not just a sticker. So, it looks good. But yeah, definitely excited to get these thrown on there. So with that being said, I guess I'll see you guys on the next video when we bring this into Buff City Auto Care and have these wheels ceramic coated. Hope you guys are excited as I am, because in a few weeks we're going to be throwing this onto a car, get some refitment done on the car as well. So hopefully we can get the car lowered a little bit more, and maybe even go fender to lip. You don't know. We'll have to see. You'll have to wait and find out. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are excited as I am to get these bad boys thrown on there in a couple episodes. Alright, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. And like I always say, hey, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. It's your boy Jag, aka VIP Accent, signing out for the KDM Culture PH channel. See y'all on the next one. Deuces.
Waking up anew.